Minecraft would not launch or struck in Windows 11 and Windows 10. If Minecraft game not working in your system, then to fix this issue, run the Minecraft as administrator mode. Go to Windows search, type Minecraft and choose run as administrator. Minecraft will launch as usual, and if not, go to the next fixes and update display adapter driver. Right click on start button, choose device manager. Here go expand display adapter driver and right click on your display adapter driver and choose update driver. Search automatically for drivers. Windows will install or update Windows driver. The next workaround to fix this issue is, again go to Windows settings. From the left pane, choose apps, installed apps, look for Minecraft, and click on 3 horizontal dot, choose advanced options, and first, if this app is not working right, first choose repair and check whether your Minecraft gaming app is working or not. If not, click on reset. If this app is still not working, then choose reset. After that, restart your system. Minecraft will not struck and work properly in your system. That's all.